Check out this 2016 Toyota Corolla L. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 6 speakers, MP3 decoder, radio data system, air conditioning, rear window defroster, power steering, power windows, steering wheel mounted audio controls, speed sensing steering and traction control. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.